Today we're going to take a look at the Field Service Technician's Dashboard. We'll start on the main page, where you can choose a date range, review important numbers or KPIs such as open requests, close requests, the performance of those in the percentage gauge, duration, which is the average time it takes to resolve issues, and the number of requests that happen to be on hold. Next, we'll see the average time spent per subcategory. The values in this chart represent the average time spent on the particular subcategory. The idea here is to know which requests are taking up the most time to resolve, which might tell you where you need to increase training, mentorship, or personnel. Hover over one of the columns and you'll see a tooltip appear telling you the average time it took to resolve the request for this subcategory, and the field techs who have taken on the most requests with the subcategory during the time frame selected, which might help you narrow things down when researching issues. Below that, you'll have a quick view table showing you the open and on-hold requests, which you can sort by any column. Last, you can see the pie chart with total requests by subcategory, providing you a quick view of where your resources are being allocated the most. Now let's move on to the next page called Field Service Tech Response Time Trends. Like the first page, you can select a time frame of your preference, and the entire page will adjust to that date range. From left to right and top to bottom, we start with the average response time per subcategory. This will tell you how quickly your field service techs are responding to the requests. The values are in minutes, but you can hover over each pie slice to get a readable format of the time converted to days, hours, and minutes. Over to the right, you'll see the chart showing requests per technician, telling you how many requests each tech has taken on. Hover over each column to see the technician's average response time when taking on requests. This might be an excellent metric to use as an incentive come bonus time. Bottom left, we see average response time per technician in pie chart format. It's kind of like a leaderboard, showing you which techs have the fastest response times to the requests. Another great metric for the bonus incentives. Finally, we have the request table, where you can search on request ID or technician name for researching particular issues, or as a reference when having a performance discussion with the field service technicians. And now, on to the final page. The Field Service Technician Worksheet. Designed with research in mind, choose a date range, look up a tech, a location, or a request ID, and you'll see all the information on the page adjust accordingly. Within the table, you'll see all the metrics necessary to research request details. Hover over one of the rows in the table, and you'll see the response time on that particular request. Of course, all of this information is dependent upon the data input for each request. One of the issues revealed when creating a report like this is how accurately the field service technicians are inputting their request information. Once again, another bonus incentive metric that will ultimately optimize your performance in servicing your customers. Keep in mind, this demonstration is only one example of what your field service technician dashboard might look like, but is fully customizable to meet your needs and design preferences. We hope you've enjoyed this demo, and of course, you're welcome to reach out anytime for more information.